Good morning, lovely petines. Hope you all are fine and safe at home. Hope your families are safe at home. Beta, today we will do question answers 4, 5 and 6. ठीक है 6 कहाँ से आया 6? You are thinking this now? Because only 5 questions are given in your book. 1, 2 and 3, A, B, C, D and E. 5 are here. But yesterday we have done A, B and C. Today we will do D, E and this hot question. This is the 6th question. Okay? So today we will do C, D and this hot question. So write number 6 here. Okay? F question. Okay? Let us start writing. Write down question 4 in good handwriting without spelling mistakes. I will check your notebooks. Okay? So write in good handwriting. Okay beta, now today we will do next questions. Yesterday we have done question 1, 2 and 3 na. So today write down question 4. Why do we need maps? Why do we need maps? Okay. Yes, tell me, why do we need maps? Who will tell? Who will give the answer? Yes, very good. We write down, we need maps because a map can give more details than a globe. Okay, because a map can give more details than a globe, and it shows, देखो, and write down beta, and it shows the whole world at a glance. Wait beta, let me explain this. देखिए, on a map you can see the complete earth in a single view, but on a globe we cannot see ना. If we want to see the other part, so we have to rotate the globe. ठीक है? So we need maps because a map can give more details than a globe and it shows the whole world at a glance. Okay, now question number 5 beta, why do people prefer maps? कि लोग ज़्यादातर maps क्यों use करते हैं, globes नहीं करते हैं? Why? Write down. Yes, people prefer, write down बेटे, people prefer maps because people prefer maps because it is easier to carry maps as they can be folded. Okay, we can fold the maps so they are easy to carry from one place to another, but we cannot carry the globes easily. Okay, people prefer maps because it is easier to carry maps as they can be folded. Okay, now beta, these are the questions given in your book in the question bank. One more question I have added in your question bank, and this is the hot question which is given here. Why is Earth called the blue planet? It is very important and you have to answer. You have to write this question also in your notebook, that why is the Earth called the blue planet? Okay, this is very important. Everybody should know this, that why Earth is called the blue planet. Okay, so write down answer. You know the answer very well. Write down, Earth is called, this is the 6th question in your notebook. Okay, Earth is called the blue planet, called the blue planet. In the starting of this chapter, I have told you that Earth is called the blue planet because 3/4 part of the Earth, 3/4 part of the Earth is covered with water. Okay, that's why Earth appears blue in the pictures which is taken from the space. Okay, complete the answer. Earth is called the blue planet because 3/4 part of the Earth is covered with water. It appears blue so it appears blue in pictures, taken from space. जो space से picture ली गई है उसमें कैसी दिख रही है, blue ball जैसी. That's why it is called blue planet. So it appears blue in the pictures taken from space. Okay, so write and learn these question answers in your SST Fair notebook. Okay, Petines, bye bye, take care.